So today is new boiler day.
Yay!
When we were in Bosnia, was it?
Yeah.
Boiler started leaking. Well, we're dripping from just by the step outside, and then we had a little leak inside. So we thought. So we travelled Bosnia since May with no running water and no boiler, but all the campsites we went on all had showers and places to wash your pots and everything, so, and to fill up with water, so, and we were buying fresh water to drink, so that was all good. Yeah, so we got back to the UK, got hold of someone, Peak Caravan Services. I think they're based in Stoke, but I'll show you when the van comes and whatever. And he pulled the boiler out last week, took him about an hour, all good, and he sent it away to Audi, which I think are based in Northampton, to be reconditioned. So we didn't have any leaks from pipes or anything like that. It's the actual boiler, I think, had split. The actual tank had split. So yeah, they came and pulled it out, sent it off, and today they're coming to refit. So I'll just show you quickly where it's at. So there you go. That's where the boiler was. All been plugged off and the gas all capped off and everything. So everything's still running and whatever. So I took all the door off and the food trays out and all that. So hopefully later on today we will have a fully reconditioned boiler in place. Fingers crossed. And that will make Mrs. R very happy, won't it, Mrs. R?
It will, yeah. Back to having a shower in our van.
Yeah, so we should be all up and running in about an hour.
So we're just getting all sorted, aren't we?
Yeah.
Getting sorted for winter. We're going to stay in the UK for winter.
Yeah, so I think we're staying around. Go probably on a travels January, February?
Abroad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're...
See how family are. We got cut short this time, didn't we? But
yes, so yeah.
So I've been having good times looking for interior design ideas, which I'll show you in another video.
Bloody hell, yeah. Shopping, that's the thing about coming back to the UK. You spend a lot of money.
I'm sick of wearing jeans. What's this about?
So we'll show you the boiler once it's all in and up and running. Laters.
Bye.
Here we go, thunder, lightning, rain's coming. So man's here. Peak Caravan Services. I'll spin it around in a minute and just let you show all the contact details. Really good service. So the boiler's just being fitted and we'll try it in a bit. Spin it round. So they're the guys you want. Contact details on there. So pretty much do all of it. Thetford, Truma, the lot. Give them a call if you need them. Perfect. Ask for Lyndon, and he'll sort you out. Top job. There she is, all installed. Brand new boiler. Well, not brand new boiler, reconditioned, and she's in. Absolutely brilliant. So I've got everything back in, all the trays, food trays and everything. Yeah, and we got hot running water. Woo-hoo-hoo! Back to living the dream.
Say hello, Del.
Hello.
So Del's from Smart Valeting and he's helping us clean Kontiki Keith, who's rather dirty. And he's just asked me if I want to watch him pulling his kit out.
And the jet wash.
So 2 guys pulled up. We've got a bit of the job on, that is for sure. This van's tidier than ours. Look how tidy this is.
Quite tidy, isn't it?
It is. It's tidier than Keith.
Tidy, Dave.
And Dave's going to be a pain. Come on. Sorry.
He's alright.
Dave's wanting to get in on the action. So yeah, as you know, just got back from Bosnia.
Look in Lewis's van as well.
Oh, let's go and say hello to Lewis.
Van's as tidy as mine.
Kit inspection. I've come to see if you're as tidy as Del.
Not at the minute, but ran a big car wash yesterday, so kind of everything just chucked in.
Well, certainly got all the kit we need. So yeah, book online. There's the phone number, and we're over at staying, as we said, just outside of Burton-on-Trent. He's just checking out how dirty he is on the top. Oh, apparently not too bad.
Can we put the satellite up, Steve?
Never use it. It should come off really.
How did you find us, Steve? Through Don Amos?
I think it was, yeah.
No, we did a Google search and I found you, and then you saw they're the guys that do Don Amos.
Oh, you've seen us there?
Yeah. Kontiki Keith having his wash. Hard at work. 2 gents started at 8:30 this morning. We'll let you know what time they finished. Like I say, it's a great site where we are, and it's allowing us to clean his van on site. Not upsetting too many. As you see, it's nice and quiet.
And this side done, other side been done, so Dave's going to get involved.
I have seen some nice vehicles.
There you go, Lewis just finishing off, look. Perfect. It's never been that shiny. There you go. There's the guys. All done.
So Steve's Kontiki is washed from top to bottom, all the way around, door shuts done. We've gone around with a ceramic spray wax afterwards and dressed all the tyres and trims. If you need your caravan or motorhome cleaning anywhere in the UK, just go onto this website, click on book now, choose your service, put in your address and we'll come to you.
And it is that easy. It really is. Yeah, we booked it within minutes. It's an absolutely perfect job.
Thank you very much, Steve.
Brilliant job, thank you. Absolutely brilliant.
They have. They've done a great job.
Yeah, we had grease marks here from the extractor fan.
And the cooking point, barbecue point.
Yeah, so they cleaned that absolutely spot on.
Yeah, done all the door trims. Tyres are shiny. We need to get some mileage on them.
Shows up the scratches now, look.
She's not that bad. He's not that bad.
No, really good job.
Great job. Show you the front.
Fantastic job the guys have done.
Really nice gents as well. Lots of respect shown to your van. Yeah, done a brilliant job. Look at the shine on him. Well, hey, he's ready for next adventures. Bring it on. So that's all the manly stuff done. But us ladies, well, me, I like to winterize the van for coming into winter, and that includes the interior. There's Mr. Harlow.
All right.
All right.
I'm all right. You all right?
Yeah. So I'll show you from the back. So I've done the bedroom. So new quilt, covers, cushions, plenty of wraps and throws. So that comes in with the throw carpets. And then we'll go in and look. Mr. R thinks I'm horrendous. But look. Look how fluffy. Look how fluffy. So yeah, we've got sheepskins on the 2 bench seats, one on the floor, and on the we got some captain seat sheepskin seat covers as well, all from Amazon, all great. I mean, they're really fluffy. Yeah, Dave's got his own seat, which is obvious because that's what he is, because he's a Weimaraner. And I had a lot of questions about how we hang our TV. It's not actually hung, it's on a cantilever. Let's see if I can show you. It's on a cantilever arm that's fastened onto the table. And the best thing ever, extension lead. Does it all. So yeah, that's so we can see the telly. Good size for the F1, obviously. So yeah, she's Kontiki Keith is all lush inside. There's my shoes. Oops. Yeah, obviously we have the puddle microfiber mats for coming in. Shoes have to be off. Those towel and mud wipers. So yeah, Kontiki Keith's all ready for Christmas and all cosy. Ready for Christmas. It will be ready for Christmas, but it's ready for winter for us in the UK.